Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off automatic document downloads in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that you have logged into your account. Step 2. Next, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, find the Storage tab and click on it. Step 4. Here, you'll see various options related to storage settings. Look for the Documents option and uncheck it to disable automatic downloads of documents. By disabling this option, you can have more control over the files that are automatically downloaded onto your PC through WhatsApp. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off automatic document downloads in WhatsApp on your PC. Now you won't have to worry about unnecessary files taking up space. Remember, you can always manually download documents by simply clicking on them within your chat conversations. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.